Alright guys, let's plant this plain peony. It's a red big color flower. Sorry. The mixture is the same with the tree peony as well. I got chicken manure, blood and bones, fertilizer, dolomite and lime. And also got the ash, or potash. So I mix them all together now. And then good premium potting mix soil. They're all here. So this time we're gonna put this nice. Be careful with this sand there. Then mekos. So we mix it more. Then we can plant our thing. Then I mix it with actually with this mushroom compost. You can use any compost you like or you have at home. It's good as well. Oh, just get like a stone. Another more of this. Nice. This is good aeration, the river sand or soft plain sand. Make sure they're clean. This one we get it from garden center. So no worries about cleaning anymore because they are all pretty clean. This, or you can put another aeration like the white stuff. But me, I use the sand now, fine sand for good aeration, good drainage too for your potting mix. Here it is. Now our soil is good and mekos with everything. Let's find this peony thing here now. Probably put more of this. So we'll find a way to put this peony flame now. Herbaceous peony. Since I lost this one, I'm just gonna put in here. So you can see guys, you don't have to get very deeper this one. The roots will find a way in the bottom. But make sure the ice, or the new seedlings coming up like that, make sure they are not buried too well or too deep. If you can bury them, it's okay, as long as it's not too deep. Otherwise, they reckon they won't flower for you.